Okay, notes for lesson 15-4. In this section, we are looking at our balance sheet, which we've done before. So just kind of a reminder, our balance sheet reports our assets, liabilities, and stockholders' equity. So in order to get those numbers that we need, we are going to find them from two different sources. First is going to be the balance sheet columns of our worksheet. And then the second is we're going to have to pull a few numbers from our owner's equity statement that we have prepared. So then as we go through the different parts of this and doing calculations, we will be calculating some of the differences between an assets account balance and its related contra account balance, and this is known as calculating the book value. So that we'll be doing under the asset section. Then in our liabilities, we're going to kind of break this down into two parts. We'll have our current liabilities. So these are bills that we owe within a short amount of time, usually considered to be less than a year. And then we also have long-term liabilities, and these are things that we owe for more than a year. So those bigger purchases like your vehicles for your business or a building that you bought or land that you bought. So things that are going to take us longer to get paid off. And so as we look at preparing that liability section, we will get all of our numbers from the worksheet. And then the last section I don't have in the notes, but the owner's equity section, those numbers we will pull over from the owner's equity statement. So that is all there is for 15-4 notes. This is the end of the chapter, so make sure you double check to see what things I have assigned for 15-4.